Welcome to the process of making a delicious banana milkshake. First, we start with freshly picked ripe bananas, fresh milk, and a scoop of vanilla ice cream. We carefully clean the bananas and remove any impurities. Then we proceed to peel and slice them into a blender. Next, we pour in the fresh milk and add a generous scoop of vanilla ice cream. Now, we blend the ingredients until smooth and creamy. Once ready, we pour the banana milkshake into a glass filled with ice, creating a refreshing chill. Finally, we serve the banana milkshake, and as the camera zooms in, we see a beautiful teenage girl with blonde hair and blue eyes enjoying the creamy goodness. This concludes the process of making a delightful banana milkshake.
Have you ever wondered how to make that perfect, creamy, and delicious milkshake right at home? Today, we're diving into the world of desserts and showing you an easy step-by-step recipe to make the most popular milkshake, the classic chocolate milkshake. Imagine having a rich, velvety, and chocolatey delight right in the comfort of your home. Sounds tempting, doesn't it? Well, the good news is it's simpler than you think. Start by gathering your ingredients. You'll need 2 heaping scoops of your favorite vanilla ice cream, half a cup of whole milk, and 2 tablespoons of chocolate sauce. First, take your blender and add in the ice cream. Creamy vanilla ice cream serves as the perfect base for this milkshake, lending it a smooth texture and a sweet taste that perfectly complements the chocolate. Next, pour in the milk. Milk not only helps in blending the ice cream, but also gives your milkshake a wonderful creamy consistency. Now, it's time for the star of the show, the chocolate sauce. Drizzle in 2 generous tablespoons of chocolate sauce into the blender. This will give your milkshake that rich, chocolatey flavor that we all love. Once you have all your ingredients in the blender, it's time to blend. Blend until all the ingredients are combined. You're looking for a smooth, velvety texture. At this point, take a moment to check the consistency of your milkshake. If you prefer a thicker milkshake, feel free to add more ice cream. On the other hand, if you like your milkshake a bit on the thinner side, add a little more milk. Remember, the key is to make it just the way you like it. And there you have it, your homemade classic chocolate milkshake. It's creamy, it's chocolatey, and it's absolutely delicious. To recap, start with 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream, add half a cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of chocolate sauce. Blend until smooth and adjust the consistency to your liking with more ice cream or milk. With this simple recipe, you can enjoy a restaurant-quality chocolate milkshake right at home. So, go ahead, give it a try. And remember, the best part about making your own milkshake is that you can make it exactly how you like it. Enjoy your delicious creation.